check it. Alright, what is up? I'm back with another AMC and APE update, and I also covered the overall stock market in this video because it's very important what happened today, that the SPY had dumped, but AMC absolutely took off. I have all the fundamental and technical data that you guys need to prepare for this week. What I'm looking at personally, again, I am just some guy on the internet. Don't trust my opinion. Do your own research and due diligence and technical analysis. This is just what I believe, what I think, and what I'm doing with my own money. So let's go ahead and check out the charts, the fundamental data, and see what we have going on. All right, we are back, and I'm going to be looking at AMC and APE and the overall stock market, aka SPY or S-Spider. So, guys, today, an amazing day for AMC. I told you we were going to get that pop. Look at the Bollinger Bands. Look at the Bollinger Bands getting tight. Look, boom, popped outside, getting tight. Boom, popped outside. They're going to get tight again and make another bull flag. This is bullish. This is bullish. We are already forming another bull flag. Like if I was doing TA right for like if this was a live right now, I'm guaranteeing that we're gonna fill out this bull flag. And also I'm gonna do a couple different patterns. I'm very excited. I'm sorry guys if this video is a little bit loose. I am very, very, very excited for what is coming for AMC, especially because the SPY absolutely dumped today. SPY absolutely dumped today, y'all. Yo, the SPY dumped today, but we pumped. Guys, this is, yo, hold on. Let me calm down because this video is not even going to make sense. Okay, all right. All right, guys, look. What I'm trying to say is we are in MOASS, all right? I know it's not what you think. The prices aren't going crazy or whatever the case may be, and that is to come. That's going to be like the second stage. When I said MOASS has started, like I was calling it early, but I believe that the uptrend, so basically I believe that this was the low. We hit the low at $4.39. I believe that was the low, or back here at $3. And I said MOASS started back here, and I believe all of this is going to be the uptrend, which will be known as MOASS. And as you guys can see, ever since then, we've been on an uptrend. I've been tracking this thing extremely precise, and I've been accurate. I don't know why people don't give me my props. Like, give credit where credit is due. I've been accurate, calling each and every movement. And when it's bearish, I tell you. When it's bullish, I tell you. And guys, it's bullish as hell. Like, look at this, okay? Let's go ahead and get in TA. So basically, we are forming this bull flag. We are above $6. If we can get above $7 to $8 or $10, expect volatile price movement to the upside. Okay, we're going to see big pops to the upside. The overall stock market today went and pulled back. I do expect the overall stock market to actually come back down and retest this macro downtrend. So I expect the SPY to come all the way back down here to these levels. So let's go ahead and scroll over back down to like 390, 395. This is SPY. And then the actual spider come back down to probably 4,390, 4,380, somewhere around this range. Come back down, test this macro overall descending downtrend, retest it, boom, and then bounce off of it. Maybe for more upside, we'll see if we either break through it and then come back down to retest these lows, or possibly break to the upside to come retest these highs. And I will talk about that as that goes. Let's go ahead and focus on AMC now. So the technical analysis for AMC is looking great. As I was saying, the SPY had pulled back extremely hard, but AMC pumped to the upside. Basically, that negative beta came in, and again, AMC follows the SPY until it doesn't. And again, we didn't even have to come down to test this trend. It's looking extremely, extremely bullish. We have a possible head and shoulders forming. So this would be a shoulder, this would be a head, and if we top out, this would be another shoulder. We might have to come back down to retest this $5 range and then bounce off of that, but that is not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is consolidation inside of this bull flag that is forming, consolidating here in the $6 range, so a little bit above $5, about $5.95, all the way down to $5.75. If we hold $5.50, that is extremely bullish. I'm looking to hold $5.50. And again, if we break this major support and resistance of $6.50 all the way down to $6, if we can break through this, expect major upside and major move to the upside. Now again, this is a major support and resistance. As you guys can see, we came straight up to it and hit our head, and we're probably coming back down to this $5 $50 range. If we can bullishly consolidate, then we can move past this. But again, this is major support and resistance here, so that is going to be levels that we have to break between this $5 range all the way up to $6.50. They are trying to keep us in that range and not let us above that, because if we do get above that, price will get very crazy very quickly for AMC. But it looks like we're consolidating in another bull flag, very bullish, and probably going to make another move to the upside here in a couple days. I did tell you guys that I was expecting a pop, and that's exactly what we've seen. So basically, that is it for the technical analysis for AMC. Again, I want to hold $5.50, but we are still bullish if we come all the way down to $5. As long as we hold $5 as support, it is looking good for AMC. As long as we hold $2 for support, it's looking good for APE. APE did break down to the downside from this bullish pennant, but I'm not fearing, because we already have this low right here, and it's just retesting these lows. Probably going to get a nice bounce off of these lows here at $2.20. As you guys can see, I have it marked as major support and resistance here between $2.20 all the way to $2.60. And you can see how my TA is on point. Came straight down to this major resistance level, bounced off of that. We're probably going to get a bounce. As long as APE holds $2, it's still extremely bullish. I expect that this is probably a shakeout before a break to the upside on APE. They're trying to shake people out of their positions, get people to paper hand out. We still haven't even came down to test this trend. Again, we could come all the way down to about $2.90 or $2, come test this trend, bounce to the upside. And again, each one of these spaces are days, so this is several day movements. But as you guys can see, come back down, bounce, and come to the upside. I'm expecting to see maybe something like that, or to hold this major support and resistance right here, bounce back up in the bullish pennant, and then just take off to the upside. It's really going to be depending on what AMC does. If AMC starts to rip, do expect APE to take off with it. I'm expecting the APE to reach $3.30 again here in the short term and the near future. And I'm expecting a high of $5 or $10 with AMC APE. APE stock in particular, $5 to $10. And when I say AMC APE, I mean APE. $5 to $10 is the high that I'm looking for this particular stock. And if we do break above $5 to $10, do expect very volatile price movement, because there's going to be price discovery and all types of craziness going on. So APE is definitely a huge opportunity to make a major amount of money, especially when this squeeze comes, and the squeeze is definitely coming, as you guys can see. So Bollinger Bands got tight on the 1 hour. Look at the Bollinger Bands on the weekly. There is a big move coming, a big move. Look how tight and condensed they're getting. Every time we have this tightness of the Bollinger Bands, we see big pop. So as you guys can see, they're tightening in on themselves, big pop to the upside. Then they got overextended. Now they're tightening in on themselves, big pop to the upside. And again, tightening in on themselves, big pop to the upside. And now we have them getting even tighter. And that's what we've seen on the 1 hour. Basically, it forms these bull flags using the Bollinger Bands. That's why I love this technical indicator. As you guys can see, we came outside of the bands, went back inside of them. The bands start getting tight. As you guys can see, top and bottom bands start getting tight. Boom. Big parabolic movement to the upside. Use the bands as support, and now we're consolidating again. I expect the bands to come back up, tighten up, and if they do, you know that's going to be bullish consolidation to the upside. The Bollinger Bands is a great technical indicator to predict future movements and to predict bullish consolidation. So we have the super trend going green here on the 1 hour, on the 2 hour, on the 4 hour, and let's see if we have it on the daily yet. So we do not have that green super trend on the daily yet. It went to sell after we got that halt and got pushed back down. But as you guys can see down here, it gave you that buy signal, and we had a major run up all the way up to $7. So once it turns green again, I am expecting to see a major run up to the upside on AMC. But we do have it here on the 4-hour, and again, it gave you this great buy here at $4.30. Again, this is the super trend indicator. Just gives you buy and sell signals, very easy to read, and it uses different increments to decide whether to give those signals or not. And as you guys can see, we are bullish on the 4-hour, and I'm expecting that to translate to the daily time frame here after a couple more days of bullish action. But you can see that there's no sell signal, so we're looking extremely bullish as far as the super trend is concerned on AMC. If we go ahead and look at APE with the super trend, you guys can see that we still have the sell signal. We still have this bullish consolidation, and basically we are waiting for this thing to pop to the upside and give us a confirmation to the upside on when it gives us a buy signal. And I expect major upside for APE as well, and I will be posting that as soon as that happens. So let's go ahead and look at the fundamental data. This is basically everything I'm looking at for AMC APE. Again, if we hold $2 bullish, if we hold $5 bullish on AMC, if we hold $2 on the APE, bullish, and do expect upside. Those are the lows I'm looking for. $1.90 is support, $2 is support for APE, $5.50 is support for AMC, and also $5. So we have the short interest. So let's go ahead and check out the short interest as far as Fintel is concerned. And let's go ahead and check out the cost to borrow in chart form. So if we're looking at the cost to borrow, it's basically still hovering about this 160, 170% level, putting extreme amount of pressure on the shorts and putting their overall cost to borrow the stock, making it much higher. We also have the failure to delivers, basically why I feel like we've seen this price action increase. We have these failure to delivers coming into play right here that were due on the 20th, so the market was closed, so they got bought today. We have failure to delivers on the 23rd, the 24th, and the 25th. So do expect upside on those days, okay? Do expect upside on those days. Many failure to delivers coming that have to be closed because of T plus 30. They have to be closed, and shares have to be purchased by market makers to close those positions. And if we look at the short interest, it's still 22.93%, still extremely high. Every time we have short interest this high, we see major run-ups on AMC, and it is plenty of short interest to bake the short squeeze cake that I always talk about, because you need a lot of ingredients for this cake, and we are seeing them come together. So guys, basically, like I said, this is it. I've been saying this over and over. I'm not an AMC cheerleader. I am just a messenger. All of the technicals are saying the same thing. All of the fundamentals are saying the same thing. Of course, there's going to be haters in the comments mad because they don't hold an AMC or they're paid or whatever the case may be. I'm making money every day off of these stocks, off of AMC in particular. I've been trading AMC and holding AMC for over 2 years, and it has paid me very well. And I've been very happy with all of these run-ups because I've been able to catch all of these run-ups, all of these pops, and add to my overall position because it gives me free cash, and then I can add to my AMC MOASS bag, which is the ultimate flip. You go ahead and get these shares, go ahead and buy them, do some trades, and then buy more AMC shares. Unless you have a 9 to 5 or whatever the case may be, then you could just buy them with your paycheck, but it's always nice to have the extra cash flow to buy more AMC MOASS tickets. So guys, we're looking good. We're looking great. This is the technical analysis. As you guys can see, we broke out of a 2-year overall downtrend. We are now going to make an uptrend. It's going to be called the MOASS. You're going to see crazy price movements coming here soon after we get above $8 to $10. Everything's lining up, and it's looking good, and I'm excited. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Probably a pullback. I want to put that in your guys' mind. If we don't see a big pop pre-market, I do expect a pullback for AMC. But I did predict a green day today on my daily predictions, which I dropped in my shorts. I've been telling you guys this thing's ready to pop and it's ready to go. and we are just looking good. So I'm expecting basically a pullback or consolidation tomorrow. So don't freak out if you see that. And then later in the week, a more continuation to the upside or bullish consolidation. So that is the video, guys. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. I just covered SPY, AMC, and APE tickers. If you'd like to see me cover any other tickers, go ahead and let me know down in the comments. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this, and that helps more people see the channel and also helps the channel grow, helps me out, and I do appreciate it. You can check out my Discord and Twitter for free. They will be linked down in the description and in the comments. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.